Ateliers Meghalaya project is dedicated to supporting artisans and craftspeople in Meghalaya. This project that began in 2021 has already made positive impact by supporting over 55 artisans from the state. 4 categories of awards were distributed to 7 artisans and craftsmen from across Meghalaya at the Ateliers Meghalaya Awards 2023 that was held at the Courtyard Marriott, where the chief guest on the occasion was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, while Minister of Tourism Department, Paul Lyngdoh, graced the event as guest of honor. Others present included the Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Department, Dr. Vijay Kumar D., the Director Tourism Department, Cyril V. Lyngdoh, state government officials, proprietor and members of Dakti Craft and artisans, besides others. During the event, the website of the Meghalayan Age, the store, was also released. The portal was launched with an intention to showcase and sell products of local artisans and entrepreneurs online. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad K Sangma lauded the artisans who, through assistance from Dakti Craft and other organizations, have been able to develop their businesses and improve their products, enabling them to access new markets. Sangma also informed that the state government will continue to support artisans from the state through the project.
You guys come. Okay. Yes. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Now you guys can run down now. Good luck. Good luck.
So much of knowledge and so many different kind of special products, whether in handloom or whether in pottery or other kind of art that is there that people make, but somehow we have not been able to support them. So this Ateliers program, about 2 years we started. 2 years back we started with 23 artists were selected and we supported them with finance. And then we went on to have the Meghalaya Age store, which is one of the best stores by any government, at least in Delhi and maybe even in the country. Now we are showcasing their products, and now we're reaching to a level where we are now having different kind of workshops, and our intention is to be able to then ensure that these products are improved and packaged better, branded better, so that our artisans can get a better price. So today's program was really to recognize some of the important good ones and award them so that they're motivated, and this will continue in the future also, so that we are able to really unlock the full potential of this particular sector.